In December of 2019, the first reports of the coronavirus emerged out of Wuhan, Hubei province in China. By the beginning of May, within the countries of the Northern Asia-Pacific Division, there are 10,000 confirmed cases in South Korea, 15,000 in Japan, 430 in Taiwan, and 39 in Mongolia. To slow the spread of the virus, many countries put into place social distancing guidelines. For weeks, churches have been unable to come together to worship. Missionary activities have also been restricted. Pastors' salaries have been reduced in order to adjust to the decline in tithes and offerings. But these restrictions caused by the coronavirus could not stop the passion of our pastors and members. Through safe methods, Adventist church members in the Northern Asia-Pacific Division have faithfully played the role of light and salt in their communities. The Korean Union Conference recommended its churches set up online worship services for members to watch from their homes. As Korean church members longed for the fellowship and praise in God's temple, it seemed as if the door to mission work was closing. But man's crisis was God's opportunity. The Korean Union initiated a blood donation campaign where many leaders and members participated for those in urgent need of blood. Members also produced masks and hand sanitizer to distribute to local residents. They handed out soy milk, rice, and seaweed. They delivered encouraging messages and goods to the medical staff who are working tirelessly in the hospitals. In Taiwan, where the coronavirus was not as serious, most churches continued to have worship services while observing government rules of social distancing. The Taiwan Conference purchased hand sanitizer and thermometers to distribute to local churches. In addition, after the service, members of the churches worked together to disinfect their churches. And they have continued to conduct mission activities and colporteur ministries. Churches in the Japan Union Conference have not been able to worship for weeks. But church leaders there sent encouraging messages through the internet. They organized online worship services for members, sending out health and gospel messages through YouTube and the Hope Channel. Japan's 3 Adventist hospitals have worked hard to provide care to patients. Since the Mongolian government declared a state of emergency on January 27th, the Mongolian mission has been conducting online worship services and praying for the coronavirus situation while participating in the 100 days of prayer through Zoom meetings. Church members have made masks and hand sanitizer to donate to neighbors and government agencies. The return to normalcy around the world will be slow, and possibly with some permanent changes. Physical distance between people may remain more prevalent, and mission work may seem more difficult. But God can take this opportunity to reach more hearts. This crisis has brought us closer to digital devices. Therefore, internet missionary work will be one of the key phrases even after the virus retreats. The chance for communication through various SNS, such as YouTube, Zoom, KakaoTalk, Line, and WhatsApp, will likely increase. To proclaim the 3 angels' messages to the end of the world is the Great Commission given to all who follow Jesus Christ. Because the coronavirus created a new era of social distancing, we need to share the gospel more efficiently through new vision and methods to revive the church and hasten the second coming of Jesus Christ.